Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build speaking skills with iTalki, complete guide step by step clearly. First, start by creating an iTalki account. Visit the iTalki website and click on the sign up button. You can register using your email address or through social media accounts. Once your account is created, take a moment to complete your profile. Add a profile picture and write a brief introduction about yourself. Select the language you want to learn and your native language for context. Next, explore the available teachers on the platform. Use filters to find tutors that match your preferences in terms of experience, rating, and price. Take note of each teacher's introduction video and reviews from other students. After selecting a few potential teachers, message them to discuss your learning goals. This interaction will help you determine if the teacher is the right fit for your needs. Once you've chosen a teacher, schedule your first lesson. Choose a time that works best for you and confirm the booking. Prepare for your lesson by reviewing any material suggested by your teacher. During the lesson, focus on speaking as much as possible. Practice conversational phrases and engage in dialogue about topics that interest you. Ask for feedback on your pronunciation and fluency. Take notes during the session to remember key points. After the lesson, reflect on what you learned and areas for improvement. Schedule regular sessions to maintain consistency in your practice. In between lessons, immerse yourself in the language. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, or read articles in that language. Join iTalki's language exchange feature to practice speaking with other learners. Engage in casual conversations to enhance your confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are part of the learning process. Set measurable goals for your speaking skills. Track your progress to see how far you've come over time. Celebrate your achievements to stay motivated in your learning journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.